Are your Windows Media application failing because of the Wmplib library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start the walkthrough for Wmplib library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Wmplib library, the primary interop assembly, PIA, for the Windows Media Player. It acts as a localized .NET wrapper for the Wmplb.dll component object model, COM, interfaces. It enables CDS developers to programmatically host the Windows Media Player control within a desktop application, allowing for the localized management of playback states, playlists, and metadata queries. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. When Wmplib library DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Wmplib library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Wmplib library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Wmplib library and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Wmplib library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.